Hi and welcome back. We are setting up a direct audit lab. And in the previous video, I laid out the Centrify OU structure, right? The next thing I want to do is I want to install the Centrify licensing service. And the reason being is you want to be able to have that centralized ability to manage licenses. And we could get this from the folder direct manage. So I have my bits. I go to direct manage and notice that there's going to be a licensing service program. So I'm gonna run setup, and obviously I don't need to do that SQL compact. And what I want to do is add to this installation, and in this case it would be the Centrify licensing service. I don't need to add anything else. So what is it that? Oh, it sounds like I also eliminated many of the components by unchecking things. So this is where you want to, the thing is, I don't need to have Access Manager installed, but I just made a mistake. I unchecked the box and it was an add remove programs. So this is why we do things in a lab, right? To gain confidence. So licensing services installed. Um, by the way, the fact that I uninstalled Centrify Direct Manage doesn't necessarily mean that the OU structure is gone, because that's written in Active Directory. So what is the licensing service? Let's take a look. So the licensing service is a utility that allows you to provision new licenses, right? To review them and even to get emailed. For example, you can get a notification when you're reaching a certain amount of the usage capacity. But this is needed in order for me to be able to add my direct audit license. And that's going to be available once I put the direct audit installation in there. So that being said, all I need to do now is we're done with prerequisites tax, and we're going to focus on installing the